Hi everybody, this is Renee from GettingFitFab.com, a lifestyle and fitness blog. I am here sharing with you today my grab and go gift ideas from Hallmark. I am so excited to be a part of this. I love Christmas and I'm hoping that my ideas will help you get the people in your life gifts that they would love. So the first gift I want to show you is this adorable candy bowl that basically the little penguin on top. I love it. It's tiny, but it's good for like a little tchotchke gift, and that is pleasable for everyone. The next is a mug. It has a little cozy warmer on the outside, which is so cute and definitely needed for the winter to keep your hands extra warm. I like it. It has a little holly on the side. The next one is mittens, because everybody needs to keep their hands warm during the very cold winter months that are on the island and quickly approaching us with December very near. The next gift I want to show you is this scarf right here. It's perfect for the everyday person. It's red. It's a neutral color. It's nice and warm and actually quite long. It's folded in half right now. And then, so I like that. I'm a scarf person because I don't like being cold. And having my neck being covered is perfect. The last and final gift I'm showing you is another scarf. It has Jolly on one side, which I kind of think is cute, and Holly on the other. I love scarves, like I said. This one has a little bit of decoration on it. Little flare, and it's also reversible. How cool is that? These gifts are perfect for the everyday person that are in your life. All of these gifts I've chosen because I would love to receive them myself, and I feel that they're versatile enough to be for every person in your life that you want to give a gift to, but you're not sure exactly what to give them. I love these cards that are also from Hallmark. One is the one that is right there is for a boss, and it's a little funny. That one is for the top of my nice list. The one that is by the mitten is thank you for brightening up my life at work. So it's perfect for a coworker. And then you have, if you get your hair done regularly and have a stylist, styling. And then another one for a coworker. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Remember, go shop at Hallmark for all of your grab and gift needs, and I hope that you visit my site. It's www.gettingfitfab.com, where I'll go into more detail about exactly why I picked these gifts and about how Hallmark helped me get into the Christmas spirit a little bit early, and how I'm so excited that Christmas is here and I get to share all of these wonderful gifts with everybody that I know, and I hope everybody appreciates them and loves them just as much as I do.